Righto, time to do some hand population of a PCB that we've just got in. I'm sure you've all got wonderful ways of doing this, but they all suck, so I'm going to show you the best way to do it after months of trial and error. So here I've got a SOT23 6-pin device, U8, and I'm just going to tin every one of the pads because later on that'll go underneath the hot air and all 6 pins will be soldered at once. That's easy. But what about all these passive 2-terminal devices? Well, the best way I've found is that I've gone along and tinned just one of those pads, not the other one. So then when I want to populate R41, consult my cheat sheet over here. It says R41, so that's out of this bucket here. I grab R41, this little grain of sand, drop it onto the circuit board, position that sucker where it needs to go, and then just heat up that one terminal that I've tinned. That fella gets stuck down there, and then I can spin it around, and the component's flat, so it's sitting nicely against the other pad. I bring the solder up to that pad, heat up both the component and the pad at the same time, little touch of solder, and that fella's done. So the component ends up flat. I end up only having to use 2 hands at once, which is handy because I was only born with 2, and we get a nice clean solder join on that passive nice and quickly. So I can go around all the passives and then just come back and do the ICs, multi-pin devices later with the hot air.